Okay, I've given you a link to my share folder with all my scavenger hunts in there. So now what? What are you supposed to do? Well, that's what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to paste the link here. Um, you would just click on the link that I shared with you, okay? But I'm going to show you what happens. So currently I have all of these scavenger hunts in here. And I am not logged into Google here. You can see it says sign in. Okay, if you were already logged into Google, it would have your little icon here. But so here I can choose download all if you wanted them on your actual machine. Okay. There are other options though. Okay. So let's click on the first one and just open it. Okay. So here's the important thing. Now it says view only. Okay. If you go here, all right, it says you can only view it. You have to be logged into a Google account to request access. But I don't even want you to do that. But if you go to file, I can't do the make a copy part either. So what do I need to do first? First and foremost, I need to sign into Google. Okay. So you're going to sign into whatever Google account you want. Now, if you're already signed in, you can just skip this step, okay? Um, but if you're not signed in, please sign in first, okay? Now, let's see what changed, okay? So here, let's just go, here's the whole folder, all right? And here is this example, okay? So all I'm going to do here is just refresh. So reopen this page and see what changes now that I'm signed in. Okay, so download all option doesn't appear up here anymore. Okay, I have the folder here, but now do you see I have this shared with me? Okay, what I can do here, see this? Click this little triangle and say add shortcut to drive. Okay. And I can then choose anywhere on my drive that I want to add this folder. So classroom, it's not Pear Deck, testing folder. If you have a specific like fun stuff to do folder, you could add it exactly there. So I'll just add it into classroom just because and add the shortcut. Okay. Now watch this. When I open my drive and I go to classroom, I have now a link to that folder. See, it has just a little arrow. That means I didn't copy the whole folder because you really can't do that. But when I open this, it's going to have all of the examples. And when I, meaning me, add new ones, they will show up there. Okay. So that's the plus of doing it that way. So now let's go back here. I've opened this one and I decided, oh, I love this one. I want to use it. Okay. Notice now that I'm logged in, I don't see the view only anymore. So it has changed. Okay. But so what I want to do is go to make a copy of the entire presentation. Okay. It's going to give me a whole lot of options. So I can just change the name of this. Okay. My copy, for example, I can choose the folder where I want to put it in my drive. Remember, I just put the other one in classroom. So I'm going to put it in here and select, okay, and okay. So what exactly did that do? And I'll just show you the difference, okay. So in this shared with me, I can see stuff that was shared with me, okay. But if I go into classroom, I see this, which has this icon, which means I don't own it, but I can see the things that are in there because it's shared with me, okay? And then I have this one, which I made a copy of, so it doesn't have that little arrow. That means this one I can modify, change, and it only affects mine, okay? So it's really the process that you want to go through. So I could open up this folder again. I could look through all of the ones, see the ones that I wanted to actually put on my machine, but keep remember a shortcut to this drive because then you're always going to have an updated copy of what gets added. Okay, like for example, this morning I am going to add I think 4 more to the folder. So if you have a copy of the folder, it'll automatically pop into yours. Okay. I hope that helps explain it a little bit. All right.